Alright, got the keys. There's one you didn't see in the picture, I believe. That's a nice car. God, it's a nice car. I put the 07 headlights in, or tail lights in. I want to do that one. That's the one with the turbo. This is the one we're going to get ready for sale. It's the Red Bear, and I'm going to put some wheel spacers on it, do a lift, and a supercharger. Yes, I said supercharger. There's some nice mats in that bad boy. My shifter knob, I love it. Check that out. Whoa. Not many standards left. Oh, wife was in it. She's a lot taller than me. I'll pull in the garage. We'll do a walk around. Look at that mess. And do a little before and after. Before I pull it in, I'll do the walk around so you can see it. E-brake holes. Alright, so I got the old winter tires on. Those are coming off. Those are off my old Impreza. See, they're small. And I'll show you this. I really like the suspension under this one. There's the grill I did. Another grill. So, we're going to take a look at it this way so we can do a before and after. Yeah, my license plate ring's coming off. Gotta fix that. Alright, so let's pull her in and get to work. Well, there be probably good. Just put it in gear. Alrighty. I'll get the stuff out, get it set up, and I'll put you back on. Let's see, we're going to be using these lug nuts. And the problem with it is, because I like these lug nuts better than what they give me, is they stick out just a little bit. So I'm going to grind. I'll do one, show you, and then I'll do 20 more off the video. But I think these might fit better than those. The ones they give me are the wrong thread. Oh, these ones might work. Anyway, we'll try a couple. We'll do one wheel first before I fuck them all up and go that route. Now, get my favorite tool out, which is the grinder. Do it right here. See how fucking bad it is. I'm gonna wheel this worth something on it. Now, how easy will it be? Let's find out together. I might as well plug it in here. So I got a new impact that's electric as well. Parts are expensive, but tools are too. So let's see what happens if we grind this baby off. Yeah. I don't think they're going to be bothering nothing on that. Look at that. See, that's a lot better. So I'm going to do all of them because I know spares here. Do those and I'll tune back in. Alright, got it jacked up. Got the wheels and tires off. And cleaned up the front a little bit when I did the brake job, but I'm gonna wire brush, clean up the rears. I'll bring you in because I got all kinds of rebuild in a can. But I mean, those Kings I love, really. I mean, the whole strap, all four. So, but wire wheel this stuff up. Clean this. You know, good old once over. I mean, that's in real good shape. That's there because of the friggin' bar, tow bar there. But I'll wire wheel these up. And these are the fronts. These are the brakes I just did. You can see there's a little bit on there. Nice new strut. Not new, but you know, it's getting there. So I'll break out the wire wheel and clean those up. Oh, should probably put some batteries on the chargers. Wire wheel and wire wheel. One more. No, that one. Alright. And that we're going to not use that one. I'm going to use this one and this one. So what I want to do is get batteries charging. You all know who that bull is. Oh, I'm gonna get the sweatshirt off. It was a little chilly, but now that I'm working, it's warm. Oh, what am I doing? Charging shit. Start with this one. Alright, I'll set up, get you on hyperlapse. We'll wire wheel one. Ugh, excuse me. Alright, that's where we're looking so far. And it's still wipe all this down and stuff before I clean it. But get that down. I know it looks like shit, but it looks better with paint. Look at, I mean, the joints and everything are in real good shape. Well, excuse me. And then I think you call that the rear K member. I'm not sure. It's in real good shape. And this thing's a really nice unit. I hate to sell it, but alright, I'm gonna keep going and show you when I'm done. Okay, we got this pretty well prepped up. I'll show you. We'll clean her up together. It don't look too bad. There was a lot of rust, you know, flaking off. So this ain't gonna hurt. I'm using some bed liner stuff. Pretty her up. Let's see what happens. Don't look too bad. Nice coverage. Get that there. Down to the seams. Alrighty. I don't want to paint the yellow springs because I like them. too bad so far. My new selfie stick my wife got me, so I'm trying to figure out how to work it. Well, alright, whoever gets this fucking car is gonna be pretty goddamn pleased, because the thing is in really good shape. And it runs. It's never, past year, it's never left me in trouble. Times had a bad crank sensor, that was it. Get you in there. Where are you? Right there. Might be in my way, but we'll try it. Like that. Like new. Trying to get you in there. Get paint all over my phone. God damn it. Yeah. Oh, she's looking better, bro. Of course, I'm going to do the drum and the gloss. I ain't going to do it with this stuff. There. That's what I want with the bed liner. And I'm going to gloss the rest. I'll be right back. I'll go get the gloss. You guys watch that. Tell me if it's going to dry okay. I'm going to paint this up with gloss. Probably should start rubbing inside and work my way out. How you looking? See okay? Alright, you're not gonna see it all, but I'm trying. Because the camera down that way. Oh, it's coming out nice though, I think. So far. I ain't gonna paint the lugs because I'm gonna put Loctite on those. A lot of people don't know you're supposed to put Loctite on those spacers. As far as I know, this thing's looking pretty snazzy. Alright, and result number one. There's a light stirring, that ain't good. Alright, so we got the outside painted up. Now we're gonna go on to the other. You know, I had a headlamp, but I lost it, of course. Corey fashion. That can's out. I'll go get another can. Yay. But if we don't want to do this, I think it's gonna look good with the wheel spacers. But a lot of people don't like them though. Oh, it was cool for a second. Anyway, back at it. Sorry if I ain't doing the photo one too good, but I gotta paint too. Oh, I love working on this shit. Dude. I'm left-handed, so it's hard to... And while this sits here and dries, I'm gonna put the spacers on. Alright, there's that. Wrong can. Alright, is that up already? Now for the gloss. Oh wait, I gotta do the inside of that. Now the gloss. Don't want to paint the phone. Look at that, brand new rebuilt front end. Rear end. Parts. Whatever. Never seen a sway bar so fucking nice. It's in really good shape. Well, at least it'll last another winter without getting more rusty anyway. Up here in Maine, it is something else. Eats the cars right up. Roads suck. And they want you to have your car to have an inspection when their fucking roads are shit. Give me a break, guys. I can only do so much. And people don't have money to go every fucking... have all that shit fixed. Crazy. I know how to do most of it, and I can't afford it. What do you think? Pretty fly for a white guy, huh? And we stuck up the yeller. I love those springs. Well, there's that so far. I'm going to take a break, go talk to the old lady, come back out here in a little bit, and work on some, well, yeah, work on some more. See you guys in a few. Alright, we're back. We're going to put some wheel spacers on. I'll see if I can set you up somewhere. Put you over here, probably better. Now, this is the first time I've ever put them on. I've not heard anything good about wheel spacers. Ever. So, this will be a challenge. But, we're going to do it. Because you can. Alright. How the fuck I do that? So, there's one. What we're going to do, Loctite. Why do people forget this little step? Then bitch. Let they come loose. So, here we go. Turn on. Talk to you. Come on. Probably lock my pliers together before I get the damn lug nuts on. There we go. Is it no good? Oh, we've got plenty. I don't know what those. Alrighty. Lord helps. There we go. We'll get a wrench too, just to make sure. Doing it right. Just want to make sure they're centered so the wheels don't go honka honka honka. Makes it look pretty fucking good. Alright. Now we're gonna torque them. Or not. Oh, I want to go put the brake on. One thing it's another. Where to your mother? If this don't work, I'm gonna change it then and say fuck it. Right, enough of the shiny tire time. Show you the lug nuts I got two. These are winter tires, but they're not studded, so they're more than legal for all year purposes. And for gripping, for off-roading. Woohoo! Son of a bitch. I don't think I have the car high enough. Just barely. Alright. Take these puppies out. Gonna look good. I want them to stick out just a little bit because I like that look. It is. Like that. It's going to be pretty easy to get on and off. Did that one already. Alright, there's one. I'm going to do the other three and we'll lay her down on the ground and see how she looks. Okay guys, here she is in all her glory. I ain't looked at it yet either. I gotta stand back. Wow. It looks alright. She still needs some love, I'll give you that. God damn. I think she looks a lot better like this and with those on it. But like I said, that was just something I had left over and I needed winter tires. See how she looks? Oh yeah, look at that. Look at the stance on her now. Oh, she's pretty. Oh. Well, pretty simple video on what to do, all that good stuff, but hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it, and I enjoyed putting these on. It's been a long time coming. I'm going to take a ride later to go see the mother-in-law or something. I don't know. Maybe not. Either way, this is going to go up the road. See how she handles. Got them all Loctited, torqued down and all that. Oh, and then I did a little more painting. See if I can scoop down and show you. There she is. All in her prime. Not really prime, but gloss and bed liner. That'll keep the old mud off her and dirt and salt for another year. Man, that's a good looking rig. Can't help it. That's a Red Baron. She's fucking awesome. And we're going to be putting a supercharger on it. ProCharge, belt driven, freaking air thing. Who gives a shit? I'll show you. I don't know what the hell. I don't know what they're calling them. It's an ARM, I don't know, 500. Now I'm going to take the air compressor off, throw that bad boy on, see what happens. Hopefully something good. Anyway, like, subscribe, share, enjoy. Got more videos coming, and next one's going to be, I think, the gauge cluster for that, which I got real good plans for. It's going to be pretty cool. It's going to, if it works out, it might look like shit, and we might have to put the old one back in, but we'll start on that soon. Sorry this video's late, and the XT still runs like shit, but I'll figure that out too. I'll get a video on that. One fellow was asking what's wrong with it. I think the transmission is, well, is one of the problems, but I've never done one. I did a parts car, so I'll take the training out of that if I have to, and we'll go on with it. But now I get to clean up this whole freaking mess, start drinking and having fun. You guys enjoy your day.